The JIS is the voice of Jamaica.
The Jamaica Information Service is the information arm of the government of Jamaica. So that's what we do primarily. We talk about the government's programs and policies, but that's just a part of what we do. We also promote the heritage and culture of Jamaica.
Yes, that's right. One area of focus for the JIS is imparting cultural education in schools across the island. It's an agency-wide commitment, driven by the work of one special division.
We're from the Special Projects Department in Kingston. That's the Kingston office. From where are we from? Kingston. No, which organization is this? All right. Well, we know that the Jamaican culture does impact the world, right? Different aspects, the food and the music and the sports, all kinds of things.
This is what drives the JIS team to engage students on their heritage and promote civic pride, in tandem with the Ministry of Education's focus on teaching civics in schools.
Jamaica has a number of national honors and awards that are, they call it investiture. So they are invested on people. And all right, so you have a number of awards. Of course, the first one, which is the highest honor. Who can tell me what's the highest honor? Okay.
It's the Order of National Hero.
Awesome. All right, so yes, you can clap him. Tell me something about Marcus Garvey.
Well, Marcus Garvey was the first national hero, and he was born in St. Anne.
These sessions, held every year, also include the showing of JIS-produced television features about Jamaica's rich history. Right students who answer questions from the presentations correctly are awarded with Jamaican flags as keepsakes.
I learned two things. I learned that Jamaica is the first English-speaking country to gain independence, and I learned that Jamaica not only participate in track and field but also in Winter Olympics.
Tell me something else you learned.
I learned that Jamaica was once called Jamaica.
I learned about the music.
I learned that Jamaica is the biggest English island that is in the Caribbean.
But it's not all about quizzes and prizes. And perhaps the best treat is seeing these youngsters displaying their many talents.
Great-great-grandpa was African. But Matty, don't your great-great-grandma was Englishman? Then your great-grandmother father by your father's side was Jew, and your grandpa by your mother's side was French. But the ones of your family, your whole generation, uno all bongo, all is Jamaican.
History and culture all wrapped up in one entertaining package. And as a bonus, all schools visited during the JIS Heritage Tours receive valuable material to further aid their cultural education programs.
It is my pleasure to present to you this package of publications from the JIS. It has a lot of things, a lot of information.
Books and posters of different aspects of the Jamaican culture.
On behalf of Manchester High School students and staff, I'd like to thank you very much for the presentation.
We at Belmont Academy accept your gracious gift, and as an institution that promotes our rich cultural heritage, I am sure that this gift will go a far way in helping us to maintain and to promote that which Jamaica has and is preserving.
The Jamaica Information Service, using its platform to promote civic pride as it imparts cultural education in our schools.
Know about your history, know about your culture.